Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4 of Writing 213. So this week is a writing week and you are working towards a draft of your career research project. I've included some media in here for you to read that you might choose to supplement the information that you're sharing in your project, but you're not required to. I do think it's important reading. By Sunday, you're going to submit a draft to me. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, I expect that your verb tense isn't going to be perfect, that maybe all your ideas aren't fully thought out. That's part of the drafting process. But at least send it to me. And if you send it in a Google Doc, then you can keep working on it after you've submitted it. That's fine too. And I'm just going to let you know if you're moving forward productively or if I have any suggestions for you to make before we engage in the peer review process next week. So next week, in week 5, we'll be doing some peer review work where you'll be trading your draft with others and giving and receiving response before you turn in the final draft in week 6. I hope everyone's doing well. Keep in mind that my office hours are on Tuesday and Thursday, and I'd love to see you and chat about any of this during that time as well. Take care.